Hello students, today we will be doing Python functions part 4 in which we will be discussing that what happens when a mutable or an immutable variable is passed as a parameter to the function. Before understanding that, let us understand the memory location or assignment that happens in Python. Let us see this code where a is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, and I am printing the id, that is the memory location of a or memory location to which n points, and they both point to 3, so I am trying to find out the memory location of 3. You can see all three are giving me the answer same. It means a is also pointing to the memory location where 3 is there, n is also pointing to the memory location where 3 is there, and 3 is at this particular memory location. It is when I say n is equal to 4, now n is pointing to some other memory location where 4 is stored. This is not true when I am talking about a list. So even if they have same values, a is having a list with only one element 3 and n is also having only one element 3. In spite of this, when I run the code, it will give me different IDs. What is the reason? Because over here a is pointing to a list which is having address of 3 and a is storing the address of that list. You can see it over here in the picture. L is 1 2 3, n is 1 2 3. L is pointing to some memory location which is having in itself 3 memory locations stored, that is memory location of 1, memory location of 2 and memory location of 3. Here 1, 2 and 3 are constant, their IDs are constant, but the list which is holding the memory location of 1, 2 and 3 is different. It is different for L, it is different for N. You already know that a list is mutable one, whereas a normal number, when it is only 3, it is immutable one. Okay, now let us see when we pass it to a function. Suppose that I am passing it to a function. I write down a function def fun with n and I change the value of n is equal to 4. That is, I have written a code in which a is equal to 3, again n is equal to 3. You can see I have defined two functions, function 1 and function 2. Function 1 takes a immutable value n, reassigns a value 4 to it. Now a is equal to 3 is a global variable. I am calling function 1 with a. So the value of a, that is 3, is assigned to n. And then after n is changed to 4. Now in the global scope, if I try to print a, it is still going to give me the value which is global, that is a is equal to 3. It is not going to show me a is equal to n, or say n is equal to 4, it will not show me n. Even if I change the name and I make it as a, so a is reassigned in the local scope, what we saw in the last video. In that case, even a is equal to 4 is local and a is equal to 3 is global. In that case, when I print over here, the output will still always be 3. On the other side, function 2 takes n, which over here a is a list with element 3 in it, only one element. When I invoke the function by passing it a, here the data type of a is what? A list. Within the body of the function, I am trying to write n dot append 4. That is to n, whatever has come as a parameter to the function 2, I have appended 4. So the original a has been turned into 3, 4. Hence you can see the output. It will show me 3, 4. So the original list is appended or changed over here, whereas here the original value 3 is not changed. I hope you understand. I'll run this code and show you after I change the value of a. You can still see that here a is reassigned, yet the global variable does not change. In the last lecture we had seen, if I change this to global, definitely it will change. Okay, thank you for today.